Hello everyone, you are on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to increase brightness on PlayStation 5. Let's go. You can change the brightness in the console itself, but you can change the brightness on the display or in the game settings. Open Display Settings, Brightness, Increase Brightness. Or open Game, Settings, Brightness, Increase Brightness. That's it. Now you know how to increase brightness on PlayStation 5. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.